welcome to Super Fun Kids. And today I got some of these eggs that have surprise toys in it. And yeah, let's see what we got. In the back, it has like a clear one with silver eggs. And it says it comes with at least 15 eggs, surprise eggs. So let's get started. Let's see. Wow. 15 of them are lots of eggs. There's yellow eggs, pink egg, purple, dark blue. These eggs. Can you hear that? So cute. And yeah, let's start opening our first egg. Well, some of them don't have their color. That's really cool. This one. Oh, okay. So these three don't have their actual color. See that? They don't have their actual color. So you guys can see they don't have their actual color. This one has a yellow and a green, orange and green, and dark green and white. Let's get started with this one. Wow. We got some money. Let me just close this. Put that back in. So we got 25 cents. Wait, this is 20 cents. And this one's 5 cents. So we got 25 cents.